Welcome to the IITR Privacy Kit. The kit ensures that you create and complete documents that fully comply with the new data protection regulation and can also be used to train employees on data protection. The left sidebar will guide you through the IITR Compliance Kit, including the home screen, the privacy checklist, status documents, and the e-learning section. Here, you will also find the privacy policy. The privacy policy lists all legally required documents and is based on the ISO high-level structure. To add a document, go to the left side of the manual and select the page where you want to add or update a document. Then click Select Template and select the desired document. The document will be added to the page in the privacy policy. Now you can edit the file directly via the button Edit in Office. The Office program will then open. Click Save File and your changes will be automatically uploaded and saved as a new document version in your privacy policy. The second way to edit documents is as follows. Download the document by clicking on the file name on your computer, edit in an in-office program of your choice, and save it under the same file name. Then upload it by clicking Upload File. It will now be added to your privacy policy as a new document version. To get an overview of previously created document versions, click on the drop-down arrow to the left of the document name. As soon as documents have been created or edited, an overview of your most recent activities will be listed on your Start screen. In addition, you will receive further information in the area to the right, either specifically for your company or in general topics in data protection. For more detailed status information about your documents, just click Status Documents in the sidebar on the left side. Here you can see which documents have already been saved or still need to be created. The IITR Compliance Kit also helps you organize your employee training sessions. Just go to the sidebar and on the left side under e-learning, click Send Training. Enter the email address of the employees you would like to invite to a training session. Select the desired training module on the right, then click Send. Your employees will now receive an email invitation with a link to the training module. The invitation link is valid for 4 weeks. An overview of the sent invitations can be found in the sidebar on the left under Report. If an employee has not completed their training yet, you can send them a new email invitation by clicking on Send Reminder. If the invitation link has expired, you cannot send a reminder. Instead, send another email invitation under the menu item Send Training.